Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No! But today, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on notification bell. Yeah, but we're doing my night routine. I'm trying to figure out, so every time I make long videos, it end up like not working. My nasty Starbucks, I'm gonna put water in it because I'm thirsty. Okay, all done. No. Oh yeah, I just heard some stuff. I don't know what was it, but it better be something else. I need to hurry up because it's fin to be the time for. I don't know, but I'm trying. Mom, can you please come here? Please. I'm not gonna end this video because I hear something.